birds from my homeland, Australia. Australia is a land far, far away. There are lots of birds, I may dare say. As your kingfisher dive to catch their prey, splash and splash the water spray. Bowerbirds in their silky vests use colorful objects to decorate their nests. Cockatoos with their sulfur-crested heads fly up high and are very well fed. Diamond doves with their bluish heads and chests and red eye rings, diamond bling speckles on their wings. The emu is Australia's largest native bird. It looks like the ostrich from another part of the world. Finches have stripes like a zebra. It's a cute little bird, a boisterous singer. Galahs are really rose-breasted cockatoos. They make excellent pets, and some of them will even talk back to you. The Silver Gull is the most common gull found in Australia. You can find it anywhere, but mainly in coastal areas. Join us next time for more of our feathered friends. If you like birds, I'm sure you'll come back again.